Imagine you scored 85 in a test. Is that good? It depends. If the class average is 70, it's good. If the average is 90, it's not. So, how do we measure where we stand compared to others? That's where Z score comes in. Z scores tells us one simple thing: how far a value is from the average in terms of standard deviation. In other words, it tells us how unusual or typical a value is. The formula is Z equals value minus mean divided by standard deviation. You don't need to memorize it, just understand this. Distance from average divided by spread of data. Now here's the important part. If z-score is positive, the value is above average. If z-score is negative, the value is below average. If z-score is 0, the value is exactly average.
Let's say average running time is 30 minutes. Standard deviation is 5 minutes. If someone runs in 25 minutes, that's faster than average. Z-score becomes negative. If someone runs in 40 minutes, that's slower than average. Z-score becomes positive. So negative or positive doesn't mean good or bad. It depends on the situation. Now consider social media. Average likes is equal to 100. Standard deviation is equal to 20. If a post gets 140 likes, that's above average. Positive z-score. If a post gets 60 likes, that's below average. Negative z-score. Now here's where it gets powerful. Z-score helps us understand probability. For example, if z equal to 0, 50% of values are below. If z equal to 1, about 84% are below. And if z equal to 2, about 97.5% are below. This means if your z-score is 2, you performed better than about 97% of people. That's rare. Z-score converts any value into a standard scale, so we can compare exam scores, running times, heights, social media performance, all using one common measure. Z-score doesn't just tell you the value, it tells you where you stand. In the next video, we will explore outliers, values that are so extreme they can completely change your data. See you in the next lesson.